So, Mehak, if you become a council member, what would be your first idea for the school?
So if I became the discipline secretary in the school, I managed the discipline in the school first and respect for the teachers. I saw the student do not get the permission to go outside. So first I maintain the discipline and what the rules of the school for the discipline. I check it and I said to the student to work on it and I really work for the school with I'm also so disciplined and I maintain the discipline in the school properly.
Are you voting for the first time, right? Or
Yes, sir. I'm the new student in the school and I learned so many things in the school, especially in election. I saw there is a digital election held in the school, so I'm very excited and I'm learning so many things in the school.
so, Arna, do you think every student should vote and why?
Yes, every student has right to vote because everyone has their own choice, different choices, to which they can elect their own choice as their leaders.
You have voted for the first time. Whether you are nervous or excited about choosing your representative for the student council.
I am very excited to be our representatives.
If you became a council member, what would be your first idea for the school?
If I become a council member of the school, the first thing I would do for my school is to maintain the discipline and to encourage some activities in my school.
So, how do you feel about voting today for the student council members?
I feel very proud and excited to be to cast a vote for our school council members.
So, if you became a council member, what would be your first idea for the school?
I will ensure that the students are in a discipline.
If you became a council member, what would be your first idea for the school?
I will ensure that every student get a fair chance to participate in all the events.
So, which part of the elections do you enjoy the most? Speeches, posters, or voting?
I enjoy speeches part the most.
How does it feel to have your own vote and voice?
I feel having our own vote and voice helps us to consider us as individual and it helps us to teach that democracy is important.
So, if you became a council member, what would be your first idea for the school?
So my first idea for the school will be raising the voices of the students that have a few better ideas and encouraging them to perform in inter-houses competitions.
What qualities do you want in a student leader?
I want a leader who is honest, confident, and kindful and respectful to everyone.
Do you think voting makes students more responsible?
Give them an idea about how to be their representative and about fair elections.
So you are voting for the first time, right? So, are you nervous or excited today about the voting?
I am very excited because this is my first experience of teaching.
Okay. What did you learn from this election process?
I learned the importance of leadership and the teamwork in democracy.
So, Gaurish, you are voting for the first time. How do you feel?
I'm feeling very excited for the first time voting for my school.
So, Aniket, you have voted for the first time. So, would you like to compete elections in future?
Yes, I would like to create in future.
So, Asad, in election, which part did you enjoy the most? Like speeches, posters, or the voting part?
I enjoy the voting part.
So, Tanvi, do you think every student should vote? Why?
Yes, because every student votes matters and it is our responsibility.
So, Akshita, if you became a council member, what would be your first idea for your school?
To exploring new and exciting activities in our school.